is up, ladies and gents, boys and girls? This is Moto Noir. Welcome back to the channel. Got some road construction going on, huh? I will say that is long overdue. Great. Every morning, got the traffic going on. Alright, how am I going to attack it today? Alright. Oh man, it's freaking cold, man. It is in the 50s this morning. Guess summer is officially over. Oh, officially over. And we'll just skip ahead. I hate driving on the or riding on the shoulder. Try to avoid that at all costs. Okay, this is moving faster. Normally what I tend to do is I try to get over to the left. It's usually safer to lane split over there. But if traffic is moving at an okay rate, then I'll just stay where I am. See, this is an exit lane. So people tend to get over. And swap lanes quite a bit, so therefore staying the furthest away from that is generally the safer avenue for doing this lane splitting. But I'm trying to skip ahead of some of this crap to get over. There we go. I had a little bit of a gap and I took it. Oh man, okay. It is it's a little nippy. A little nippy. So, I'm heading into work. Work has been good. We had 2 consecutive very busy weeks at work. Oddly enough, it was the week my colleague M had moved back to West Virginia, and so we had no salesperson. It was the GM and I acting as salespeople. So it was good because, you know, we were able to drum up some business and the commissions were good. But, yeah, it was busy. So having to work on both the sales and the financing part of everything, it was hectic. I had some tired days. Tired days. What are you doing, sir? Ninja Kai. Interesting. Oh, the apartments in that building, man. You would think that for a building that's right next to a highway it would be inexpensive. No. Oh, they charge a premium for it. It's like $4,000 for a 1-bedroom apartment. I mean, yeah. Okay. Oh, there's debris. I don't like riding on debris. Oh well. Skip forward. Turning, taking up all the room. Fantastic. Traffic coming from this direction. Great. Cannot stand bad driving. Come on. Come on. Move forward. Okay. It's a practice in patience. Riding around in this freaking city. And look, they're taking up our freaking driveway. Great. Nothing is making me happy this morning. Nothing. Alright kids, let's see what this day brings. Oh, another good day at work. This is Kevin. Say hello, Kevin.
Hello, guys.
Managed to sell 2 bikes today. 2 bikes. Made a little bit of money. Now, I think I'm going to head over to Dirty Billy. Because I don't have anything else going on. I was hoping maybe I'd go on a date tonight, but it's not looking like it's going to happen. Yeah, that's nice. And now we get into the nitty-gritty of what it's actually like to ride on a Metropolitan after work. And a red light. Pick it up whenever we get started again. Yippee! Interesting. Ryan2213. That's my name. Don't know what the 2213 is about. Alright, pardon me, kids. I don't always use the quick shifter. But when I do, I make it crispy. Oh yeah. Look what people do here. This is an entire lane. No one actually utilizes the lane. It's crazy. Craziness. Love this little turn. Oh, he kind of messed it up, didn't he? Normally I take that a little bit spicier. Oh well. Yeah, you gotta let people go, lady. Jeez, that's just rude. Even I'm not that rude. And I can be rude. Alright, I guess we'll see if anyone's here. If not, it's whatevs. Alright, so the guys were at the garage. And we had a nice night. Played some backgammon. That's what we do at the garage. We drink seltzers and play backgammon. Yeah. If anyone doesn't know what backgammon is, it's a 2,000-year-old game. Maybe 3,000, maybe 4,000-year-old game. Who knows? It's one of the oldest games alive. The second oldest game in history, according to some historians. And recently, it's become a thing at the Dirty Billy Garage. We play backgammon and, you know, talk trash, make bets, that sort of thing. But we had fun with it, and tonight, I was the king of backgammon, the king. Ryan, by the way, is another name for king. It means king. So, you know, it's fitting. It's fitting that I am becoming the man to beat every night. Pretty much every night I'm dominating in backgammon. So you know, come at me, bros and broettes and peoples. Come at me. Anyways, we have fun with it. It is a glorious night. It's cool. It's probably in the 50s, but it is glorious. It feels really good. I had a good day at work. This is not bad whatsoever. So yeah, this feels like a glorious night. Just heading home. So this was like a full day. So you saw me coming in to work, you saw me heading over to Dirty Belly, you saw me heading home. It's not my typical full day, but it is a full day in the life. Sorry, cannot wait. This guy, I need to get over for him. Alright, there you go. Then I'm going to get over to the left. That way I can tuck in to the right. Right in front of this guy with the turn signal on. Perfect. Downshifting. No brakes needed until now. Now I'm just going to shift one more gear down. Tuck in front of him. Because everyone's going super slow for no reason. Hopefully I can hit a green light. It looks like it's red. It's red. Poop. Get down to first. Tuck in front of these people and wait for the green light, which is coming quickly. Awesome. Click into first. Come around. I have a little shortcut that I like to utilize. Click down into first. Turn on my turn signal. Oh, you're turning. You are a rat. Anyways, they're not a rat. They're just a normal person doing a normal turn. And I don't know what they're doing. Okay. This is not rocket science. This is still a shortcut. Trust me. I know what I'm doing. What are they doing? This route does not make sense for anyone. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and do my little thing. Here's my shortcut. Otherwise, I would have to wait at a light, like 2 lights. Technically, what I just did was minorly illegal. Minor. But now I'm almost home. Alright guys, take it easy. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for joining me on my day in the life. Alright, I'll check you later.